The DMV totally wants to trick you. Let's conquer those brutal written exam questions in this explainer.
The test is literally designed to trap you, using your own natural driving instincts against you.
Today, we're going to spot and absolutely ace those tricky falling distance pitfalls. Ready?
First up, the tailgater trap. When someone's riding your bumper, what feels like the right move? You want to speed up, right? Wrong. The actual rule is to maintain speed and merge right. Yielding is simply always safer than fighting an escalating, dangerous battle out on the road. Next trap, say a car suddenly cuts you off way too closely. How do you react? No need to slam the brakes. Just smoothly take your foot off the gas pedal. Easing off perfectly restores your safety buffer without causing a massive rear-end collision behind you. Now for the ice illusion. People assume you just double your following distance on ice, right? Nope. Stopping distances on ice are actually a staggering 10 times longer than on dry pavement. That means you need at least a massive 20-second gap to stay truly safe. Finally, how does distance change for special vehicles or super slippery road surfaces? You need way more space behind motorcycles on gravel or metal grates and behind massive trucks. That extra buffer guarantees you the essential reaction time and clear visibility you desperately need. By dodging these specific traps, you're protecting both your life and your driver's license.
You've totally outsmarted the DMV today. So, what other sneaky driving instincts might be holding you back?